Welcome to day 2. As you can see, we still have Isaac.
Yeah, Mommy told me I was special.
How was the night, Isaac? Come on, tell me about your
I
night.
tried to eat my arm to escape. Not
Pass the duct tape?
I
Right.
didn't think it through.
Yeah, you're bleeding a lot. Oh, well, okay. Well, I haven't checked the subscriber rate yet, but I'm going to. And I'm probably assuming it's not there. It probably won't be anytime soon, which I hope. Because I'm kind of enjoying this. Make sure you're not escaping. It was a pain to get him. You don't understand. He was like, ah, no!
I bite.
Like I was saying before Isaac decided to bust free, it was very difficult to get him. We had to lure him in with midgets because he can't resist midgets.
They're so fluffy.
Yeah, we promised he could have one, and then we actually had one of those box traps. It was amazing. I'll bring it in the next time. No, stop it. No, you'll be set free if the subscribers like you. If not, we're getting a new Isaac.
Okay.
Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. Isaac, stop it.
Okay.
Don't make me get the stick. This isn't the stick. So yeah.
Nah.
Yeah, we're gonna need to get more tape. Anyways, time to go to sleep, Isaac.
I finally see the light. So
Goodbye.
dark.